Welcome to SemiconWest. I'm Diane Hickey, I'm with Advanced Diamond Technologies, and we're modeling our newest product, UNCD Electrodes, for water treatment. Put most simply, we've turned dirty water into safe water. So basically this is an electrochemistry setup very similar to what you had in high school with your anode and your cathode. Here your anode is basically a substrate with our diamond on it. It's a diamond thin film. The cathode is currently tungsten, but it could be anything from stainless steel to graphite, very inexpensive material. What we're going to do is demonstrate that we can make chlorine on site using nothing other than California tap water and some table salt. So that's what's in here right now. Then I'm going to add a reagent that's going to show you if there's chlorine in there. It's a color change, so you'll be able to see this. So I'm going to turn this on. And really what I just did is I'm putting 2 amps of current through here, 7.5 volts, so not a whole lot of electricity. And I'm going to add the reagent, and it should turn pink if it does not detect chlorine, but I don't have very much left. So you see a little bit of pink. The bubbles you're seeing is actually hydrogen bubbles coming off from the water, H2O. And now it's changing clear because chlorine is being produced, and you can actually smell it a little bit. It's going to smell a little bit like a swimming pool. So that is, in essence, what our UNCD electrodes do. And if I turn it off and the bubbles go away, you will see that the water is clear. Now, you can use this for a number of things. First of all, chlorine generation. If you had a swimming pool, you could, rather than transporting chlorine to your municipal swimming pool and having those, barrels that you have to train the lifeguards on to be really careful of, you can actually just create it right there, and as much as you need, and it's very safe. You're not transporting tanker trucks full of chlorine anywhere. The next thing you can do is actually treat a more industrial system, like a cooling tower. One of the big problems with cooling towers are bacteria. This bacteria kind of forms an algae on the side of the cooling tower. It really impacts the heat transfer performance and impacts the efficiency of your cooling tower. So to combat that, people have to use biocides, and they also have to use water softeners. If you use this system, you get rid of the dangerous chemicals in the biocides and the water softeners, and you have clean water, creating mixed oxidants that stay active in the water, destroying the bacteria that creates the algae. So that's really great for your cooling tower applications. You can also use this to destroy really horrible organics. I think everybody's heard in the municipal kind of water systems, estrogen and other hormones get in there. This can destroy estrogen. It can destroy even larger, more dangerous bacteria. So there's that as well. You can just imagine how this goes. There's a lot of uses for it. The benefit that the diamond provides over current electrochemical systems is that other people will be using something called DSA, a conventionally stable anode. And to do the same effectiveness as this small setup, you would have to have a piece about this big, which you can imagine limits the usefulness, especially when you're talking about swimming pools or small areas. The other benefit is, one of the problems in electrochemistry is that you'll have scale buildup, especially with dirty water. Scale will build up on one of your electrodes, making it not function as well. What we can do is reverse the polarity for just a few moments, get that scale off, and then set it back to the way that it's supposed to work with no impact in performance. You do that with other competing technologies, and it really degrades the performance of the electrodes. So our diamond actually enables this to happen once a day back at our site. We have run something for 3 months straight, doing reverse polarity every night for just a few minutes, and it has not broken down yet. The efficiency is just as good as when we started. So that's our newest product. On our website we have a lot more information, a lot of technical information. Our website is www.thindiamond.com, so THINDIAMOND, and we have technical information there, and feel free to contact us there as well. Thank you.